Today we will explore the realistic expectations for gold, silver, and platinum prices based off the World Bank's Prospects Group analysis. Hi, and welcome to Minuteman Precious Metals, where it's my goal to enhance your financial preparation and prosperity and motivate you by tracking my personal stacking adventure. Thanks to all my new and returning viewers. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy today's content, and ring that bell if you'd like to be alerted when new videos are available. I appreciate your views, but I really need your likes and subscriptions to grow this channel. Thank you for your support. The World Bank expects the gold price to increase by 8% year over year in 2024. Stronger gold demand from emerging markets and developing economies, EMDEs, amid heightened geopolitical uncertainty is a key upside price risk, they said. Conversely, sluggish industrial activity in major economies could weaken demand and prices for both silver and platinum. The graph on the left depicts the quarterly purchases of gold in metric tons by all central banks. Since mid-2022, we can see a huge upswing in the amount of gold purchased by central banks. This can be viewed as a reaction of foreign central banks to the United States freezing Russian assets at the onset of their invasion of Ukraine in February 2022. The chart on the right depicts which countries' central banks are purchasing or selling the most gold during Q1 of 2024. Turkey is the largest buyer at over 30 metric tons, followed by China and India. Uzbekistan is the largest seller, selling over 12 metric tons of gold. The World Bank stated recent price increases have been supported by strong demand from several emerging markets and developing economies and their central banks, and increasing activity in exchange-traded funds in China amid heightened geopolitical uncertainty. They went on to note that as a safe haven asset, gold often increases in price during periods of elevated geopolitical tension and political uncertainty. Turning to silver, the World Bank analyst noted that the metal's price surged 12% higher in April compared to the prior month after seeing a stable and less dramatic Q1. This recent increase in silver prices was mostly attributed to the recovery of industrial activity and some of those factors influencing gold prices. This brought the gold to silver price ratio closer to its 10-year average. That 10-year average GSR is 79.38. By the way, in my mind, stackers should use that GSR level as a price point to know that they are making solid trades into gold from silver. When we look at the 6-month chart, that GSR average is much higher, and anything under 82 looks very appealing as an area to complete trades. The GSR is at 80.3 at the time of filming. The World Bank is projecting modest silver demand growth this year, buoyed by industrial demand for expanding vehicle electrification and the development of renewable energy infrastructure, as well as an expected recovery in jewelry and silverware demand. They expect silver prices to increase 7% this year compared to 2023, with an additional 4% uptick forecasted for 2025. Platinum prices also experienced a rebound in April, though the 3.5% rise was more muted than the move seen in silver after the precious metal saw some slight dips in the first quarter. Following a 25% surge in demand in 2023, platinum demand is expected to be moderate in 2024. This anticipated deceleration is due to the modest growth in the automotive sector and jewelry demand, which together account for 60% of global platinum demand. This will be offset by the contraction in industrial demand, mostly driven by the fiberglass and petrochemical sectors. Nonetheless, platinum prices are likely to be supported by reduced production from Russia and South Africa, as well as a drop in secondary recycling supply. As a result, platinum prices are expected to increase by 4% in 2024, with a further 5% increase anticipated in 2025. So based off the estimates of the World Bank, none of the precious metals mentioned are predicted to go to the moon. Gold with its 8% forecasted rise, silver at 7%, and platinum at 4%. Of course, estimates are often wrong and are only that, estimates. In the end, any of these precious metals will keep up with inflation if these predictions turn out to be true. And that's the chief job of sound money, to retain value over time. Let me know what you think about the World Bank's predictions. Are they low, high, or are they realistic? Let's call it there. Thank you for watching, and remember, time is your most valuable asset, and I appreciate you sharing yours with me. Minuteman 6, signing off.